How to activate Milestone Credit Card. In this video, I will show you how can you easily activate credit card of Milestone. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, here I have opened the official website of Milestone, which presents the step-by-step process of how can I easily activate my credit card. So the very first step is to go to the official activation website. So for that, open any one of your web browser and in the URL box, simply type milestonecard.com activate. Make sure you enter the URL correctly to avoid landing on the wrong page. After that, firstly you need to log in into your account. Once you reach the milestonecard.com activate page, you will be promoted to login page. If you already have an existing account on Milestone, simply provide your account details and log in into your account. So for that, you need to simply click on the register option which is available in the login page. Once you click on it, you simply need to provide some of your personal detail and card information. For example, full name, card number, and so on. After you provide all these details, you will be able to create yourself a new account on Milestone. Now the next step to activate a card in Milestone, you simply need to enter specific details of your Milestone credit card to proceed with the activation process. This information usually includes the card number and the expiration date. While you enter all this information during the activation process, make sure it is not wrong, as that might create error in the activation process. After that, you need to verify your identification. For security purpose, before activating your credit card, Milestone needs to verify your identification. So this step involves answering security question, also receiving a verification code and providing that code to the Milestone. After you verify your identification, you are good to go to apply for credit card. So that's it. That is how easily you can activate credit card on Milestone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.